Hey, Miss Fenn, how are you doing today?
Good. I wasn't sure if you got my message earlier this morning.
I did. I was going to give you a call back some point this afternoon.
Okay, can you talk now? Because I couldn't remember if left on the message that I have another meeting at 2.
You did not. You just said, I
Okay.
think, from 9 to 12 or 10 to 12 or
Yes.
something like that. Yes, ma'am.
Can you talk now? Or
Oh,
are you
yes,
busy?
ma'am, I can. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. What can I help you with?
I was seeing what because you had emailed back that it's been looked at and addressed. So what was the outcome in the disciplinary process that happened with that incident?
I'm not at liberty to share that with you.
And why
Would
is,
it,
why is that?
According to my human resources manager, anytime personnel issues are involved, I cannot share that.
So I can open record request any complaints or disciplinary procedures that's happened to employees, right?
That's news to me. I did not know that. But I'm just going by what is my HR is telling me. That I'm not at liberty to discuss that.
Okay, is Ruth still employed in the same position at the same department?
She is still employed.
Okay, in the same position?
Yes.
So therefore nothing got taken care of then?
It did.
Okay.
But I could have my, if you would like, unless you would like to reach out to her, I could have my human resources manager.
So basically what I hear is that an employee can call the police on somebody not committing a crime and then attempt to lie to the police about what happened, and nothing's happened.
No, I do not agree with that statement.
Well, that's what
I
you just
agree
said.
with what you said happened, but it has been addressed.
Okay, so you agree with me that she called the police on someone not committing any crimes and lied to the police about what happened. So that's doing a false police report.
Well, based on the video that I saw, and I don't remember all the specifics, but obviously she called the cops because the cops showed up, and I think I remember hearing her when she walked up to the counter say, "Call 911."
Yes.
So all that, I know that happened. But as far as, and I want to say, and don't quote me, that she used the word harassing.
She said that. She said that I was harassing them.
And to me, harassing has a different definition to everyone. So, in her view, you're harassing.
She also made the statement that I was getting up in their faces.
Well, like I said, it's been addressed.
When she approached me and I had to ask her to step back. So basically is what it is that the public health department employees can call the police and do whatever they want to, attempt to file a false police report, and not have any disciplinary actions whatsoever.
Like I said, it's been addressed according to how we have a disciplinary process.
What is your disciplinary process?
You would have to talk with HR to get that copy of that, because it's, I can't it's lengthy.
I'm not talking about what happened with the process with the employee. I'm just talking about the disciplinary process in general.
That's what I would like for you to have the full version of, because it's not just something that is short and sweet, I would say.
And is the HR department the same HR department that's located in the Troup County Government Center?
No, sir.
Y'all have y'all's own separate entity for HR?
Well, we have our HR for District 4 Public Health. We're like the umbrella agency for the 12 county health departments within District 4. And then we're governed by the state office, DPH, who is then governed by the governor, I believe.
Okay. So I just wanted to make sure I got my facts correct. That's all. Is that you're just in agreement with what was on the video, and that she called the police, and for someone that was not committing a crime and made accusations in the back when the deputy was back there. Made accusations.
I do not agree. That's the part I do not fully agree with. So make sure you have that as part of my fact.
Okay, but you agree that she called the police on someone not committing any crime under a First Amendment protected activity.
I agree with that, but unfortunately, I guess
awesome.
she thought
Okay.
you were violating.
So what if I'd come in there without a camera asking those questions? Would she have reacted differently?
I'm not sure. I can't speak for them.
Because it makes no sense. So, okay. Alrighty, so you said it. I appreciate it that you agree that she violated my First Amendment protected activity by calling the police.
I do not fully agree with that. So make sure you have that documented as well.
You just said you did, ma'am.
I also said that based on her thoughts.
No. Let's leave the thoughts out of it. Let's leave what happened in the back out of it. That's irrelevant. I'll level with you on that. Let's leave that out of the back. This is my question that you were in full agreement with. That she called the police on a citizen with no crime being committed doing a First Amendment protected activity, and that's what you agreed with.
Well, can you define, I know what our First Amendment rights are. So I guess when you say the First Amendment protected activities, that includes my rights, your rights, whoever's rights who walks into the health department. I just want to make sure I'm understanding everything you say.
Yes, everybody in the United States of America has rights under the First Amendment. Not just me, not just her.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure I understood what you were saying.
Yeah, so I was saying you're in agreement that she called the police on me for no crime being committed and tried to violate my First Amendment protected activity.
Based on the video that I saw?
Yes.
I guess I would have to agree with that based on that video.
Okay. Okay, so with you agreeing to that and you being the supervisor, you being the director of nursing, why are you okay with that for one of your employees to disregard what you had said? Plus, she even said in the back that she's got the training and she didn't. She said,
I am not okay with that. I'm not okay with that.
But why are you okay with an employee violating another member's rights trying to get information from the health department?
I am not okay with that. Like I stated, the situation has been addressed.
Then do you have any backbone to make disciplinary actions happen so it doesn't make you look bad? Because you look really bad. You can't. It looks like you can't train your departments and you're not following up with anything.
Well, that's a perception, and I hate that perception is out there about me. But we have 285 maybe employees in District 4. So, like I said, I hate that perception is out there about me. But I do the job to the best of my ability and depend on those that we employ to do theirs. And when they fail to, we do address it.
Ms. Fenn, I wouldn't be harping on it so much if it was an employee. This was a supervisor. Listen to what I'm saying. A manager and leader of people acting this way and telling her department to act this way. Why is that okay with you if you just agree that she violated that against me?
But I've told you it's not okay with me, and I've told you that it's been addressed.
But the actions speak differently.
It has been addressed.
What was addressed?
The whole situation. And I can tell you no further about what has happened.
Okay, I'm just trying to make sense why that is okay for one of your supervisors to act the way that she did.
It's not okay.
And if it's not okay, then why is it? Oh, it's just been addressed, and she is in the same.
But what I'm telling you is, I can't share with you what addressed means.
I'm not saying fully terminate the person.
I can't tell you what has happened. That cannot come from Amy Fenn.
Why, since you're her supervisor and I can get this through open record anyways?
Because I have a supervisor and a department that I do adhere to what I'm told.
So you adhere to what you're told, not what.
Like you're saying that Ruth is not following.
Says.
You're saying that Ruth is not following what was sent to her by her supervisor. I'm saying I do follow that.
No, I'm saying that you follow what people tell you, not what's right.
Well, I'm following what our agency follows.
So your agency follows the law, correct?
I'm not sure, but I have another meeting.
You're not sure if your agency follows the law?
I'm sure they follow the law, but
You're
I also
sure they
know
follow
that
the law, or you know they follow the law?
I know they do. You're just trying to trip me up, is what I feel like.
Ma'am, I'm asking you basic questions.
And I'm giving you answers.
I'm asking basic questions. You're telling me that you're not sure if the Public Health Department follows the law now.
No, we follow the law. But what I'm saying is, which law you're talking about, how many laws are on the books?
Does it matter which law?
No, it does not matter, but no matter what I say, you're going to say it's not correct.
That's not correct, ma'am. That is, I said I'm in agreement with you looking into it and doing what you did. But what I'm asking you,
we have policies and procedures based on laws and what is set forth by the state
exactly
office.
what you just said. Policies and procedures based on law. Why did she violate the law by calling the police on me? That means she violated the policy and procedures.
I'm not sure why she did, but like I've told you, we addressed that.
Why are you not sure why she did? Didn't you address it? What if it was fully addressed? Then you ought to know why she did it.
I cannot share that with you.
Ma'am, you're not making any sense.
I'm making sense to me, and I apologize that I'm not making sense to you. But I do have a meeting, so I'm going to have to.
I thought you were free till 2:00.
Well, I have to prepare for my meeting.
Oh, now we got to prepare for the meeting because I'm asking you questions about what had happened.
No, sir. So I'm going to let you know that I'm about to end the conversation so that I can meet my other afternoon obligation. But I'll be glad to speak with you later.
Have a good day, Miss Fenn.
Thank you. Bye-bye.